Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today I have for you an unboxing, and what I have is a box of Goth subscription unboxing. So as you can see, it is a coffin shaped box. Box of Goth is a one-woman army. It is a monthly subscription service, but there's also specialist boxes as well, and this is the January box, which is the Nevermore box. Now this costs approximately £23 a month, including postage and packaging. It is something that Kirsty, from making it up, got me into. I will link her up here, and I honestly cannot wait to see what's inside it. So let's open it up and have a look what's inside this month's box of Goth. So the first thing we've got is, looks like a print with some twine around it. So let's see. And it is, with the theme of the box, the Nevermore theme, it is a picture of a drawing of Edgar Allan Poe with a raven with it as well. And it looks like the eyes are the same, with little box of Goth skull at the bottom there. So that is item number one, and that will look beautifully with the other artworks that I'm going to put up around my dresser. Next is possibly what's made this box smell so good as I've opened it. It is some Demon's Lust incense by Stanford. Now I know this is a good brand of incense because I have other ones by them, and this one, Demon's Lust, is no exception. It's kind of sandalwoody, kind of patchouli, musky scented, but oh, it smells wonderful. I cannot wait to burn some. So yeah, Demon Lust incense sticks. Let's see what's next. Something in a black and white paper bag. I have done other mystery boxes for Gothic subscriptions before, so I'll link them up above as well, so you can have a look at my alternative playlists. Oh, it's a ring. It is a ring. Something you don't often get in these subscription boxes, and it is a gold plated, by the looks of it, bird skull. It's got some weight to it, and it's also got an adjustable back. So putting it on, I will have to figure out something to make it a bit smaller because it is a bit big, but then again I have really long, really thin fingers, so that doesn't surprise me. But that is a lovely, lovely ring. That's item number 3. Let's see what's next. So we have got an item from Alchemy England. The extraordinary design, collectible miniatures made out of polyresin, and this is number 7, the Raven Skull. I don't know if you can see with the light reflecting off the packet, but it's a really detailed skull with the raven on it. And this also will look great on my dresser. I'm redoing it at the moment, so that will go perfectly, so I can have my little slice of Gothic couture in the house. Detailing that one, absolutely amazing. So yes, that is item number 4. Item number 5 is the Ravenous Lip Scrub. Now that's what it looks like. And inside it smells almost like burnt caramel, burnt sugar. I'm always in need of lip scrub, so that will most definitely get used. In fact, I might change it out and put this one in and use the other one that I'm currently using, swap them over, because that is great. It smells so nice. What's next? This is, I believe this is a sticker. Is it a sticker? I believe it could be, but it's a little possible sticker with the box of Goth skull with the raven, and if you look very closely you can see the eyeball of the raven is also a little red skull. If that is a sticker, I'll be so happy because I love my stickers. What's next? It's long. Oh, it's brightly coloured. It is by the brand Follyfire, and this is an Astral Trip lip gloss. So it says, a colour-induced trip transcending the physical fierce makeup without the BS. It says, a transparent gloss created to boost your lips and enhance its natural or tinted colour with a gloss-like shine, made with olive squalene and pomegranate extract to help deeply moisturise and protect your lips from external stressors. Ooh. So, let's have a look at the inside packaging. Now that is really nice. Very unusual packaging, I really like that. You can't go wrong with a clear gloss sometimes. Just have a bit of shine. Not too thick. Got a little bit on there. Quite thick. Little sticky, but that's what glosses are like, but not overly sticky. Just bobbed a bit on my hand. That was a really bad place to put it. Just there, if you can see. Just a simple clear gloss. Always handy. So I'm rather excited about that. And the shade name for that is Looking Glass. I've heard things from this brand are really good, so I can't wait to give that a try. Next. Oh, we have something in a small gold and white packet this time. Let's see what this one is. It's another piece of jewellery. This time it looks like it's a little bracelet or an anklet. Not quite sure which, but I would probably use this as an anklet. And it's a kind of antique bronze colour with a little tiny raven charm on it. Now that is so cute, and the charm is really very detailed. You can see the eye and all the feathers on it. Don't know if you can see that there. And that is adorable. I love that. And I do like that colour of jewellery as well, so that's really good. Still going. What have we got next? Oh, it's another gold and white packet. Let's see what's in this one. Try not to rip it. This is very well packaged, and it did come packed in bubble wrap as well. So and of course with all the noodles in it as well, it's very, very well packed. And giddy as a schoolgirl. Oh, my necklace, and it is again in this lovely antique bronze colour, and it's a little cameo of a raven on a rock holding a book in its other claw with pages behind it. Now that is stunning. Cannot wait to wear that. That is beautiful. That is really detailed. The artwork in that is superb. Still not done. Next we've got Wisdom Spell Candles, a double pack. Now these I'm really interested by because I'm starting on that path, so I'll be really interested to read how I can use these at some point as well. So that's the next thing, some Wisdom Spell Candles. I think that's everything. Oh no. No, I'm wrong. Hidden at the bottom. Got a couple of art prints. So this one says, "At no future time, never again." I like that one. That's again, that's going up on my wall. And then the last bit is the Nevermore box. And going through the little sheet list on the back. So let's see if we've got everything. So we have the Raven Cabochon necklace. Yes, we certainly do. The Astral Trip Looking Glass Clear Gloss by Fire. We also have that. The Never Again quote print. We have got that. The Nevermore Raven School Miniature by Alchemy England. Yes, have that. The Raven Charm Anklet Bracelet. We most certainly have got that. The Wisdom Spell Candles. We have those. The Bird Skull Ring. Yes, we definitely have that. The Ravenous Lip Scrub. Yep, we have that one. Oh, it's a magnet. Even better. The Nevermore magnet. We have that as well. And it looks like the incense sticks are a little extra. So we have those as well. Now I must say, to include that little art print as well, for the price I paid, that is a fantastic box. An absolutely brilliant box. So I cannot wait to see what next month brings. I will leave all the details for Box of Goth down in the description box below. If you want to go check them out, I would highly recommend it. I think that box is definitely worth what I paid for. I'm super happy with it and cannot wait to see what next month brings. I'm already excited. Oh, we also have, I forgot, the other art prints as well. As I said, I'm super happy with this box. Let me know down below what was your favourite item in the box, and if you get Box of Goth yourself, what you think of it. Let me know if it's something you might be interested in as well. Like I said, I'll leave all the social media links down below. So thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love you to be here for all the future videos. I've got lots coming up. And give it a like if you like what you see. Then drop your comments down below. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.